everyone, it's Ashley and I'm back with a video. Today I wanted to stop by and say happy holidays to you. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season and that you're getting to spend it with people that you love, and even if that's virtually. So I hope you're doing some fun crafting and taking advantage of all the fun parts of the season. Maybe throw on a fun Christmas movie and have some hot chocolate, something like that. That's one of my favorite things is Christmas movies. So but I really wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for being part of my channel for this year. I know we've grown quite a bit on the channel this year especially, and reflecting back, I'm really excited with seeing all of your guys' progress and learning, and all of that really motivates me to continue producing more content for you guys and trying to give you as much skills as you want so that you can create and have fun. I wanted to ask you guys what direction you want to see this channel go for the future. So I have some ideas of what I would like to produce for 2021. Yay, it's finally 2021. And I'm going to run this past you guys, and then I also want to see what you guys are looking for, so that way I can produce content that's fitted exactly to what you need. So a lot of the feedback that I've heard from people is that they're starting businesses, especially Cricut businesses, and they would like tips and tricks on how to make things as cost effective as possible, how to market, all of the marketing aspects of it, as well as production of larger quantities. So especially tying that into Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is a great way to kind of create things for resale and have some really great results, and it doesn't cost as much. So for 2021, I really do want to start adding more business related content to this channel, including maybe a series on marketing and how to grow your business, using Pinterest, using Facebook, using Instagram, and really share any tips and knowledge that I have on that to help you guys out. I'd love to include a series all about craft room organization. I think this is something we all struggle with, and I want to share what works for me, what doesn't work for me. And I know we have different, ways of addressing and tackling how we organize our lives, but I thought I would share what works for me, and especially because I'm producing a lot of content, and so my craft room is always in a state of fluctuation. I'm always making something, so I'm going to share what works for me and maybe address the things that don't work for me in the channel, so that way you guys can see it. And I think, what's better to start out the new year than with some organization videos. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know below as well. I'm also going to be working on a series more about beginner level entry stuff. So what happens when you open up the box? How do you get used to all of the information that you need to know? So I'm going to try to break it down into a series condensed specifically for step-by-step what I would teach you. Because I do have videos on my channel related to each individual topic, like how to use a slice tool, how to contour, all of those information. But I want to show you kind of in an episodic format so that you can build and grow from start to finish. And I want this year to show you guys from opening the box all the way up, and that way as you're watching, you guys can just watch series after series after series, and it just makes sense and flows together. So that's a huge project that I'm taking on, but it's something I'm really passionate about, and I would like this to be something that really is helpful for you guys. So what would you guys like to see for the channel in 2021? Make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know. Would you like to see more infusible ink, iron-on tutorials? Would you like to see engraving, debossing? I haven't done debossing yet on the channel. Working with veneer, working with metal. Are there materials that you guys are really excited about that you would love to see me use more on the channel? Let me know. I'm also going to be breaking out some new things with Dollar Tree. Taking some Dollar Tree materials and using them in some different ways, so that will be coming forward on the channel too. I'm going to be taking off a few days for the holidays, and then I'll be back to producing content again, so you guys are going to start seeing an influx of new content for 2021, and I'm so excited for it, and I really want you guys to let me know how I can help you guys or what you would love to see, because your feedback really drives the direction of the channel. So again, before I log off, I just wanted to say I wish you guys the happiest holiday season, and I hope you're having a wonderful time and hopefully making some time to enjoy everything in the season and craft and have the best time. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future content, and I will see you guys later. Bye!